A is for anaconda.
Hiss, hiss.
B is for ball python. C is for capybara.
D is for doodlebug.
E is for echidna short-beaked.
Snuffle, snuffle.
F is for flea beetle.
G is for golden mole. H is for hog badger.
I is for island canary.
Trill, trill.
J is for Jordan's tree frog.
Chuck, chuck.
K is for Carner blue butterfly.
Flutter, flutter.
L is for lesser spotted eagle. M is for miniature pincher.
Bark, bark.
N is for New Guinea singing dog.
Yodel, yodel.
O is for orange fruit dove.
Coo, coo.
P is for Poolie. Yup, yup. Q is for Queensland python.
Hiss.
R is for red-lipped bat.
Click, click.
S is for squirrel monkey.
Peep, peep.
T is for tamarisk gerbil. V is for vivid dancer.
W is for Wolverine.
Z is for zebra longwing. The letter Z, heliconius.
We love to play our drums and bells, making music, happy spells. One more. A is for African penguin. B is for beetle.
Z is for Cuban boa. D is for domestic pig. Oink, oink. E is for edible frog.
Ribbit, ribbit.
F is for flatworm.
Squelch, squelch.
G is for gnat. H is for hooded crow. Caw, caw. I is for Indian wolf.
Ow, ow.
K is for Kemper's woodpecker.
L is for long-eared owl. M is for margay.
N is for northern bottlenose whale.
O is for old world badger. Grunt, grunt. P is for praying mantis. Click, click.
Q is for queen of Sheber's gazelle.
Snort, snort.
R is for red squirrel. Chatter, chatter. S is for sedge warbler. Scratch, scratch.
T is for termite. U is for Ucayali spiny rat. The letter U, proechimis.
V is for vampire bat. Click, click. W is for wallaby. The letter W, macropod.
Hiss, hiss. The letter X, gloideus.
Well. Y is for yellow-eyed penguin.
Z is for zorilla. The letter Z, ictonix.
One more.
A is for albatross.
Cluck. Cluck.
B is for ball python. C is for cross river gorilla.
D is for desert iguana.
E is for European goldfinch.
Jingle, jingle.
F is for forest elephant. G is for Galapagos penguin.
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
H is for Himalayan marmot.
Beep, beep. I is for Indian rat snake.
J is for Javanese salamander. K is for Karoo chat.
Zip, zip. L is for lacewing. M is for Mongolian gerbil.
N is for narrow-striped mongoose. O is for old world porcupine.
Rattle, rattle.
P is for Persian onager.
Q is for queen ant. R is for red-tailed boa. Hiss, hiss.
S is for Somali cat.
Drill, drill. T is for turtle.
U is for upland burrowing tree cricket.
Tree, tree, tree.
V
is for Vanzolini's bald-faced Saki. W is for white-tailed deer, the letter W, Odocoileus.
X is for Xingu River Frog.
Unk, unk, unk.
Y is for Yellow-billed Cuckoo. Cow, cow.
Z is for zone-tailed hawk, the letter Z, Boteo albinotatus.